Here I got 511 AMP24, and this is the 511 Rush 24. So they're similar size, so I'm want to put it here to make a comparison, help you to make a better choice. So for the AMP24, this is 32 liters. And this is the Rush 24, it got 37 liters. So pretty similar. So I'm gonna put this on and tell you how I feel it. This is Rush 24. It got tons of MOLLE system on the side, top, bottom, and the other side. You can put a lot of pouches on here, especially basically the medic pouch and like a water bottle pouch. That's the must-have stuff. And you see the storage, front and top. We got two separate. I'm 5'7". This backpack fits me really well. And you see here is right on my waist, and I feel like the back support is very good, especially on the shoulder here and even on the bottom. So I think that if you want a multi-function like a daily carry or tactical bag, so this is a really good option. You can make a lot of modification. You can put a lot of stuff on it. The design is endless. You can put a lot of things on the side, on the back. So basically, if you go hunting, you go outdoor travel, one bag. So 1 to 2 days, you should be no problem. And let me put this one on. This is AMP24. And in my opinion, that this is another kind of feeding bag. It's not like a tactical or kind of thing that you want to go into the woods. So this is one that you want to go into the city, urban. All right. So you see this kind of stylish, feels pretty, little bit fashion, kind of tactical fashion stuff. And it doesn't come with a lot of MOLLE stuff, so you cannot. Here is the webbing, so webbings also can put stuff on, but it doesn't look like this one can make a lot of things. But it looks pretty, in my opinion. That and also slim, and it's really like it won't wobble. It's pretty comfortable. Both of the bags is very comfortable, and it just kind of like a style. This is more function. You can do a lot of stuff on it, but for this one, it's kind of, you don't need to hang a lot of bags, pouches, stuff onto the backpack. You want it to be like look slim, looks cool, so kind of style. I think this is better. I like both of them, so in my opinion, that it fits different people. They're all good. All right, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.